guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the SAUCONY ProGrid Triumph 4. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the SAUCONY ProGrid Triumph 4. We got this in the grey silver colorway in the US size 9, as UK 8, as European 42.5. So just before I get unboxing, we have done a few SAUCONY reviews in the past, so do check those out. But the way to pronounce SAUCONY is actually SAUCONY, because there was a time, I think it was in the early 90s or early 2000s even, where each of their products, a lot of their sneakers came in a box and it would say sock, as in spelled out sock, you know, sock you wear on knee and your knee. It will do that breakdown. So that's why for the longest time I've been saying SAUCONY, because that's the way it should be pronounced, because you know I've seen people pronounce this SAUCONY or whatever. But another detail I want to share with you actually. So their logo, the SAUCONY logo, is based on a riverbed and those are the rocks. So that's the whole story of the logo. But this sneaker is a blast from the past. Very early 2000s look, because this was around in 2007. And that's the kind of style that's going in at the moment. You know, that Y2K, 2000s runners. You know, you can see loads of people wearing their A6. You can see New Balance as well. That kind of like old school sneakers. I say old school, like the 2000s look isn't old, but it is, you know, shock to the system to you guys. Well, it was 20 years ago, and we're back wearing these retro runners here for you. So this is SAUCONY's iconic one, the ProGrid Triumph, and we'll start looking at the details right now. So if you look at the outsole here, you've got an all rubber outsole, got a unique traction padding, and you got the ProGrid shank plate there to keep it stable. The midsole unit, so the midsole is essentially a foam, but you've got a ProGrid technology in there for your cushioning. And the upper is made out of an array of materials. You got your wide open mesh. That's predominantly the main body of the sneaker. It's all around. And then you got all this like textile paneling right there. You can see it in the silver bits. Normal lacing function with some normal rope laces in the white. You got a SAUCONY symbol at the very top there, and then you look at the tongue, you got the Triumph 4 design with the SAUCONY logo there also. Nicely padded tongue, nicely padded ankle support. You look at the lateral side, so here at the lateral side you can see the SAUCONY riverbed with the stones, and on the medial side, so the medial side you can see there, you got an arch lock right there to keep your feet comfortable for the inner side. At the back, right there, at the heel unit, you've got the paneling, open mesh as well, very nice cushions. And just before I forget, you've got the ProGrid logo on the heel clip on the lateral side. Show the ProGrid technology. The insole, you got foam insole there for you, for your comfort. It's very lightweight, very dope, very cool in design. If you're sick and tired of seeing ASICs, this is a good alternative. You know, SAUCONY were a great running sneaker, and I think they're back. You can see it in this design here also. Really excited to try these on. So watch me try these SAUCONY Triumph ProGrids. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Saucony fit. I'm a UK size 8 when it comes to Saucony, European 42. These fit so well, very comfortable, and they've got that Y2K look about it, you know, the runners that are on trend at the minute. So if you're looking for an alternative that isn't Asics, that isn't New Balance, I do recommend some Sauconys for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.